Hey guys, welcome back for another Tallahassee Home Tour Tuesdays. I'm here at 510 Beard Street here in Tallahassee, Florida. If you know this area, it is iconic for Halloween. They shut the streets down, there's live music, and people of all ages here trick-or-treating. So if you love Halloween, this may be the house for you, definitely the street. Welcome to 510 Beard Street in Tallahassee, Florida. This home is just under 3,400 square feet and sits on 0.37 of an acre. It offers 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and hardwood floors throughout. The primary offers 2 outside locations. One is an enclosed patio and also a back porch overlooking your pool. In the hallway between the bedrooms, you'll find this cedar closet. Upstairs, you will find a large 4th bedroom or bonus room that has been plumbed for an additional bathroom if you'd like to add. Guys, this place has it all, from the trick-or-treaters up front, if you love Halloween, to the awesome backyard, pool, workshop that could be also converted into a pool house, and a super private backyard. And you can take my word for that, because if it wasn't this private, I would not be doing this.